Meaning of cheek. The word cheek has two common meanings. 1. Body part, the soft part of your face below the eyes and beside the nose. 2. Rudeness, informal use meaning disrespectful or bold behavior. Example, he had the cheek to talk back. 10 example sentences with cheek. 1. She kissed her baby on the cheek. 2. Tears rolled down his cheeks. 3. He had a red mark on his cheek after falling. 4. The cold wind made my cheeks numb. 5. She blushed and her cheeks turned pink. 6. The child puffed out his cheeks while playing. 7. He had the cheek to lie straight to my face. 8. I can't believe she had the cheek to demand a refund after using the product. 9. Stop talking back, you've got a lot of cheek. 10. The slap landed right on his cheek.